Today, we're going to show you how easy it is to refund payments to your contacts in SwiftFox. To get started, let's bring up a contact's profile. Here you will see the Financial tab. Now this tab will only be displayed if you have the SwiftFox Finance feature. Scroll down to the Receipts table. Here you will see the full transaction history of your contact. This table shows you the date of the transaction, the receipt number, the payment amount, the method of payment, and the status of that transaction. If your transaction was initially successful, however your contact has now requested a refund, you can do so in these easy steps. First, identify the transaction you wish to refund and make sure it was a success. Now click on the receipt number. This will show you the transaction receipt and all of the relevant details. To refund the transaction, simply click the Refund button. Some payment methods, including credit card and direct debit, can be refunded instantly through SwiftFox. Other payment methods, such as cash or check, will show an alert reminding you that you will need to send the refund manually. The final step is to click Confirm. Now you can see the transactions table has updated the status of the transaction to show it has been refunded. So there we go. That's how easy it is to give a refund to your contact in SwiftFox. Be sure to check out all of our other videos in the finance series to get right across all of the financial features that SwiftFox has to offer.